Every day, there are approximately 25,000 burglaries in the United States. To make matters more complicated, the average response time to a 911 call is now 11 minutes. We need a way to protect our homes and our families. Gain additional peace of mind with the SABRE Door or window alarm with remote control. The compact design helps protect your home with its magnetically triggered alarm that sounds when a protected window or door is opened by an intruder. Superior to other brands, the remote lets you exit and enter your home without setting off your loud alarm. Easily arm or disarm with just the push of a button when outside of your home to avoid accidentally triggering upon entry and disturbing your neighbors or frightening your pets. For daytime use, the door or window alarm can be set to Chime Mode, which sounds a pleasant tone to let you know as guests and family members come and go. Easy to install, simply attach the device to your door or window using the self-adhesive pads included with your alarm. Enjoy peace of mind knowing your entries are protected with alarm sensors which can scare off intruders before they can enter your home. Protect your entryways with the SABRE Door or window alarm with remote control.